Hey, I'm Gautam Khosla. I'm the founder and CEO of Solen.
Hey, I'm Adam Jamali, co-founder of Solen.
Every AI code generated today, Lovable, Bold, Veo, generates the code and gives it to you. You're left with monitoring, debugging, and the 2 a.m. pages. Like nobody actually figured out what happens after the actual code has been given, has been generated, has been delivered.
And that is exactly why we built Solen. You describe what you want. Solen builds it, deploys it to a live URL, and then monitors it in production.
And when it breaks,
Solen fixes it
automatic clean.
automatically.
So I myself designed the build pipeline, the self-healing infrastructure, the billing page, the deployment architecture, the onboarding flow.
And for my part, I built the front-end system design flow and architecture and product experience.
At the current moment, we actually have real users who are working in Solen. They're loving the way the deployment is working, the self-healing infrastructure is working, and everything around it. And this just started with one common mission and an aim. And we are just two university and undergraduate students in second years pursuing our respective degrees at the University of Ottawa.
So no outside help, no contractors, just us with one clear mission.
And before we wrap up today's video, I want to really talk about our mission and our aim. I and Adam truly aim to make tech and education accessible to every single human on this planet Earth because we truly believe that this is a birthright and it should be given to every single human. On that note, we'll see you guys very soon at the headquarters. Thank you so much. Bye
Take care.
bye. Take
Bye-bye.
care.